Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How to disable beeping sound when repeatedly press the shift keys. So let's start. This is very simple. First of all, you have to come into the search bar and type here control panel, and in control panel you have to choose from here small icons, and in small icons you will have to come here in the second line, ease of access center,
Always scan this section.
and you will see here. Now after that just scroll a bit down, click on make keyboard easier to use, and here you will see some of the options. You will see here press the keyboard shortcut, click on this setup sticky keys, and here you will see turn on sticky keys when shift is pressed 5 times. So simply click uncheck this one, click on apply and click on OK. So you are done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.